What is a 1099 NEC on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Form 1099 NEC is used to report non-employee compensation. This form is issued to independent contractors, freelancers, and other non-employees who have provided services to a business or individual. Since you are not an employee of the company or person who paid you, your payment or compensation is reported on the 1099 NEC instead of the Form W-2. If you earned income as a non-employee contractor, the business or individual you worked for may issue you a Form 1099 NEC at the end of the tax year. This form will detail the total amount of compensation you received for your services. Within TaxAct, you can navigate to the section for reporting income. TaxAct will provide you a specific option for entering income from Form 1099 NEC. Choose this option to begin entering the information from your form. Then it is going to prompt you to enter the total amount of non-employee compensation reported on your Form 1099 NEC. Input this amount accurately. Once you have entered all the relevant information, TaxAct is going to provide you a summary for review. Check to ensure that the information is accurate. After confirming the accuracy, you can proceed with the rest of the tax filing process with TaxAct. This may include claiming deductions related to your self-employment income, calculating your self-employment tax, and completing other sections of your tax return. Form 1099 NEC is important for reporting income earned as the non-employee contractor or freelancers, and it is essential to ensure that you report this income on your tax return. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.